Tell me a story.
Well, sometimes.
What did you do today?
Bump my head.
You bumped your head?
Yes.
Where? Did you get a haircut?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
You didn't go to Lollycut?
No.
No?
I don't cut my hair anymore. My hair is dying.
Oh.
I take it off.
You took it off?
Yes.
Oh.
I take.
Did you go to McDonald's today?
Yes.
What did you eat at McDonald's?
Burgers.
Uh-huh.
You got Woody, don't you? Ooh, if I had a Woody, I'd flip this
What are you
table.
doing tomorrow?
It was just
What's up? Those are bugs. And then I was.
right now. And it's a damn shame that it's just going
So
away.
what? This.
You peed?
Yes.
Where?
There's so many poor people out here that need
In my arm.
In your arm you peed?
Yes.
Ew.
In my hair.
You peed in your hair?
Yes.
That's disgusting.
I pee everywhere.
You peed everywhere?
Yes.
That's so nasty.
I pee in my.
You peed in your eyes?
Yeah.
Did it burn your eyes?
Keep my.
Silver, off to the ATM machine.
What else?
Bugs.
Where else did you pee?